Welcome to LinkedIn, everybody. I want to talk about my thoughts on this platform and specifically why I hate LinkedIn. I hate LinkedIn, and I'll tell you why right now. Stick around. Before we jump into it, make sure that you are subscribed down below and hit that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. I love it when you hit that like button. Go ahead. Ooh, okay. All right, let's jump into it. I hate LinkedIn so much. And you might think, Alex, you can't hate LinkedIn. You run LinkedIn X, which is the greatest LinkedIn course of all time and teaches people how to make $300,000 on their LinkedIn. And I will agree. People have taken this course and they're booking meetings in 20 minutes. But why do I hate LinkedIn then? You might say. Well, there's things more important to me than money. And that thing, number one, is vibe. LinkedIn, boring as fuck, guys. It feels like a bunch of people in a conference talking about absolutely nothing. We can go into my LinkedIn feed and I'll show you some of these. First post off the top from Vasilis Gregou is just something in Greek. I don't know why. I don't know if I follow this guy or what. Second is an ad for American Express Business. Then Muhammad Shahzad is asking, what do you like? Work from home or office? Has one like, 14 votes. What do you like, work from home or office? Let me know down below. You don't even want to comment, right? This is a terrible question. I'm going to say work from home. That has 73%. But compare that to what we're posting on Twitter. Indian millionaire. I have 14,000 in crypto. I have 10 lakh in crypto. That also has 44 likes. So you saw this one on LinkedIn, which we outsourced to an agency, and I'm assuming this is all bots. You can see based on the comments, like Steve S. You surely provide a wide range of services, Alex. Alex, that's correct, Steve. The services provided by X27 are as reliable as giving us a call and connecting with us. Twitter, told a girl in an India grocery store that her dress looked cute. She loved it, but every guy in the market stared at me like he wanted to kill me. Any tips for picking up Indian ladies without getting stabbed? 228 likes. LinkedIn, leaving it to the professionals will ensure a smooth process and stress-free operation. That's entirely accurate, Jackson. What professional services have you tried so far? Twitter, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. LinkedIn, you name it and we've done it. Reaching out to X27 is the way. Thank you for the support, Darshan. How ready are you to create leads that are specifically customized to your needs? Let me hear it. Twitter, if you don't have a photographer take a picture of you taking a selfie with a fan, are you even legit? So you can tell which one of those sounds better. And if you say again, LinkedIn's a better spot to make money, I say to you, you can make money anywhere. We make money on YouTube doing videos like this. We make money on Twitter doing tweets like that. There's no reason to do this on LinkedIn. If you want to be the most professional guy, you want to see those tweets because you're impressed by all those views and stuff, please check out LinkedIn X because it goes through step-by-step how to do it, linkedinx.com. If you want to troll like us on Twitter, you can also check out twitter10k.com because we teach you both ways. What do you think of LinkedIn? Let me know in the comments down below. And before that, check out this thing. This video is brought to you by Twitter 10K. Get your first 10,000 followers and make your first $1,000 on Twitter by following this step-by-step process. Check it out at twitter10k.com. And before that, check this out. This video is brought to you by LinkedIn X. Find out how to do LinkedIn outreach, optimize your account, and start making money from LinkedIn for your service business or SaaS. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman. Follow me on LinkedIn. All right, let's go to the next video.